Hi, in this video we will see what is a stream. Stream is an object that gets data from a source but it does not store any data. The data is flowing through the stream from a source such as array, and it is similar to water flows through the stream from a spring. Stream interface belongs to java.util.stream package. Stream is introduced during Java 8 release. When Java 8 was released, few significant features were introduced. Stream is one among them. You can perform two kinds of operations on stream. One is intermediate operations. These are the operations which produce another stream. We can perform multiple intermediate operations by chaining them together. Terminal operations, the stream ends when we use a terminal operation.